Okay, so today we are going to go over how to get our artwork ready to hang. And I've made a little video. We'll see how this goes. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to measure the distance between the edge of your picture and the edge of your paper. And then go ahead and mark that same distance on the other side. So it was 1/8. So I'm going to go ahead and mark 1/8 from the very end of my title. And then I'm going to go to my Fiskars trimmer thingy madealy here and place that paper underneath so that my mark lines up with this line. And then starting from here, I'm going to push down on this little orange tab and go up or down depending on where the tab is. And then it's nice and trimmed. Now I'm going to go ahead and mark the other side double what I marked this one. So it was 1/8, now I'm doing 1/4. And again, I'm lining that little hatch mark up with that line on the Fiskars thing. And I'm going to go ahead now, starting from the top, and drag it on down. Notice I'm holding my finger here so nothing moves. Now we're going to trim our paper. It's going to be 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. That's up to you whether you want to do 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. So you go the top and the side. Whatever you do, it has to be the same. Using those little marks, you make a little hatch mark and then you line your picture up with that corner hatch mark. You use the Uhu stick to make a big X inside a square with the glue, and then you use your corner hatch mark to place your photo nice and even. Now we're going to go ahead and make sure that we mark the very same distance on the edge, and then on the bottom of the picture we're going to mark double the distance. You're going to trim your black mount paper and voila, you're done. So I know that was really kind of fast. Let me go back here and see if I can pause. So right here, it says mark the same distance, either 1/4 or 1/2 inch. This one right here is 1/4 inch. It might look a little bit better if it's a little bit longer. Whatever you decide on the sides, you need to make sure that you do double the distance on the bottom. So that gives your eye a place to rest. Okay? So if I did 1/4 of an inch on the sides, I'm going to do 1/2 inch, which is what this is, on the bottom. If I had done 1/2 inch on the sides, I would do a full inch on the bottom. So it would probably be more down here. So that's up to you. And when you trim the black paper, you do it the same way you did with the photo. Okay, you hold it down with your finger, and then with your other hand, whether you're right-handed or left-handed, you drag it down with your dominant hand. And this should keep our cuts nice and straight. This blade right here is brand new, so it's a lot sharper than my cutting board. It's a lot safer to use than my cutting board as well. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm here for questions.